Ruth loves. Hello everybody. This video, we are going to be making a crazy volcano science experiment. Let's get on with the intro. How do I make this intro fun? First things first, take your watches off. Throw them on the couch. Then, you need to get your ingredients ready. The first ingredient that you need is vinegar. Make sure that it's vinegar. Why am I spinning the vinegar? Vinegar. Make sure that's not oil, it's vinegar, or else your science experiment will not work. Now, next ingredient. Baking soda. Baking soda. You need protection. I'm using a plate. You also need some more protection. I'm using parchment paper. What am I about to eat? Safety glasses to keep safe. You need a tall cup. And last but not least, to make your crazy volcano science experiment complete, you need to make it a crazy volcano with food coloring. I'm using red and yellow. Let's get all these thingies out of the way now. First things first. Take the parchment paper. I don't know where it is. Lie it out on the table. Can really be anything from newspaper to any other stuff that you don't need that you have on hand. You also need something to put the parchment paper down. We're good. All we need to do now is put the plate in the middle, the cup on top of the plate. Now we need to start our science experiment. So the first thing you need to do is take vinegar and pour it in, not all of it. It depends on how big you want your experiment. I don't want it to be too big because I don't want my entire table to get wrecked. This does not smell very good. It shouldn't smell good, it's vinegar. Put the food coloring in. A little bit of yellow, a lot of red. Now, I prefer to not mix it in too much because then it looks cooler. Watch this. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Okay. Oh, wow. Wasn't that so cool? Let's do it again. It's so cool.
Wow, that's really cool.
Also, make sure you have nose pinchers. Nobody likes the smell of vinegar. Well, yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. I only sat down once. Hope you enjoyed this video, everybody. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'm doing this again because this is so cool. Hello, fellow scientists. This experiment is completely safe and harmless, and if you happen to eat it, you will not get sick. It will just taste really, really disgusting. Vinegar and baking soda are both edible. Same with food coloring. Well, yeah. See y'all next time. Bye! Ho, 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 it's not a hot, sunny day. Ho, ho, ho. We're now posting weekly, everybody. Just so that you know. Well, yeah. Bye.